Migrating your files from eDART is now fast and easy. Once you have used your EDM or Data Extractor Tool to gather the data you want to migrate, we are ready to bring your data into your new system. Start by browsing your local file system to select the exported eDART configuration file. Ensure that it is in zip format. Once selected, the file will upload and then automatically extract. After extraction, you will see the mold names associated with the configuration file. Choose the mold you wish to migrate and confirm its settings. Verify the mold name and enter the number of cavities. The eDART system provided sensor identifier fields in which users could enter cavity names, cavity IDs, or other descriptions. The CoPilot system provides separate cavity name and cavity ID fields. Next, select which sensors you want to migrate and assign your sensors by specifying their location, cavity, and optional ID. Once the sensors are assigned, choose the processes to migrate, enter the standard cycle time, and assign any associated templates. Finally, review the migration summary and either save and view the record or save and proceed to migrate additional molds. It's as simple as that. The Hub advances your data into the future, ensuring optimal performance for your processes. Discover more about our solutions at rjginc.com.